wonder the waste of time. Why is it that anytime the coronation comes up, or the traditional marriage, something somewhere, somehow, will hinder it? I am beginning to think that the hands of my enemies in this. Someone is behind this.
I don't think so. I don't.
Hey, you. Go ahead and tell me what you think.
I think it's the gods. Yes. The gods are intentionally delaying you from getting married to her. Can't you see they are buying you time to save you from eternal disaster?
If not that you're my sister, you will have your tits on the ground this minute. For the beloved memory of our parents, I will let you get away with the nonsense you just spit out of your mouth. Listen, this will be the first and the very last time you would insult the future queen of Indiako Kingdom, talk less of using derogatory language on her like this. Do I make myself clear? Do I make myself clear?
Yes.
Hello, baby. Well, that is the reason I'm calling you. I know I promised to pick them from school, but I haven't. I have urgent workload to do at the office. I'm so sorry, it skipped my mind. I just remembered now, so I decided to call you. Please. Okay, baby. Thank you. I'll see you at home. Oops.
Late today again. Look at, it's already getting late.
Ethan, that's a very unfair thing to say. You know Mom is very punctual in picking us. I'm sure she's very busy doing some important thing.
Busy, you said? Busy?
Yes.
Busy that she can't come and pick her own children? Or why did she send her to come and pick us then? Please, I don't have time for your trouble. I am very tired and hungry.
Okay, so if you know what you're trying to understand.
Yes, look at this one. Okay, let's go.
Excuse me, I don't think that's a good idea.
Let's go, wait!
Excuse me, it's doing.
Wait!
Hello.
My name is Chloe and these are my siblings. His name is Ethan and her name is Alicia.
What name they give money? Why not stop?
Excuse me, I can't hear you. Hold on. What did you say?
We just want to be your friend because we have admired you and your school for a long time now.
Yes.
So please, we need no harm. Can you be our friends, please?
Yes.
Yes, we want to go to your school.
Yes.
You want to go to that school of it at Jibo? You go black or you go dark. So you see as I did that, you go dark.
Yes,
that school is for Ajipago. If you go there, hand go touch you and go collect.
Yes, I know. That's why we want you to teach us to be Ajiboko. Yes, so we can at least give us some moral advice on how to tell my mommy that we want to change our school to your school.
Yes.
Hey, my school are the best. All these things when they do, when they waste my time and years. I don't waste for money for this. I know when I built this school. I don't know my grandfather built this school.
Your grandfather?
You're rich.
Because I don't like to go. Do you not know how to spell pula? You see, don't.
What is pula?
Oh, pula! I don't go. I won't go.
Okay, hold on.
We have food. Should we give you our food?
I want to like that one with the like
first.
snake.
We have food, but on one condition. You be our friend.
Yes, you take us to your house.
Now they blackmail me.
No, we just want you to be our friend.
What you not get?
It's rice and fried chicken.
Yeah. But I never tried rice and fried chicken before. I go bring you not follow me go my house.
Yes.
My house far from here. When I feel track.
Yes, I just want to know your house.
I like this bells don't let so. Anyway, go bring your bag.
Okay. Hold on. You're going.
I want to like that thing when they do like snake.
Go to your house. Okay. I think hold on.
Nefechi!
Papa!
No, Papa. Popsy.
What's up now? You called me.
Yes, I called you. The children that came back with you, where did you see them? Those beautiful kids that came back with you, where did you see them?
Ella, I was coming back from school and they saw me. And they said they like me, say I be fine, but say I get plenty more for it.
Wait a minute. They say you be waiting.
Say I be fine, but say I get plenty more for it. So they offered me their Indomie and scrambled, fried rice, yes.
Those beautiful kids, where did you see them?
Why they ask like this now? Now for school I see them now. Rice, yes.
They saw you, they say you be fine boy.
Yes, they can't give
so
me
you
them.
get plenty for more for body.
Yeah, I chop them. They can't carry them back. Now so, don't finish. Yeah, no. Anyway, I don't ready, no go sit down. Yeah, no.
You tell them say your papa they say pomo.
No.
Hope so you not tell them.
No.
Okay.
But I don't ready, no go sit down.
Say which pomo? If we go out now, where would they stay?
They will follow us now.
Oh. They'll follow us?
Yes, no.
Yeah,
no.
Okay. If you say so, let's go.
Popsy party.
Sonso. Let's go and get prepared.
Popsy party.
Sonso.
Honey, what are you doing? Why are you driving into this village? What possibly can my children be doing here?
Where else do you want me to drive to? We've literally searched all the houses and they are not there. Maybe they walked home.
Walked home? How is that even possible? They don't even know their way home. I mean, they have never trekked home from school, so how could they... You see this thing that's happening now? This thing that is happening now is actually your fault. If you had gone to pick them up earlier, this wouldn't have happened.
This is not time to apportion blames. Please.
I just pray nothing bad has happened to any of my children.
Can you just be optimistic for once? Nothing is going to happen to them. We will find them.
Honey, wait. Let's ask these people. Let's...
Don't worry. We'll look for people ahead and ask them. Can you just calm down? You children will not frustrate me. What is the meaning of this?
Daddy, just train, Daddy.
Yes, Daddy, please just give us one
Daddy,
chance.
please don't flog us. We promise to be in our best behavior.
Yes, we are sorry. Just give us one chance.
Without sin, there's no forgiveness.
Are you not tired of apologizing for the same sin that you know you will still commit again? Are you not tired?
Daddy, please just give us.
Now tell me, what is the problem?
Daddy.
Talk, I'm listening.
Daddy, there was a boy that we saw coming from a government school. Dad, they asked if they could be his friend. And they even gave him their food. Daddy, I advised them that and told them that it was a bad idea. But they didn't listen. They even followed him to his house. Daddy, she's lying.
Daddy, I'm not lying.
She wants to blame it on us.
Exactly.
Shut up! Shut your mouth! Please shut your trap. So you three are telling me that you followed a total stranger to his house? And you, as the eldest, you couldn't control your siblings. You followed a total stranger. What if he had kidnapped you? What if he had done something worse to you? What would have happened? What if he had kidnapped you? Shut up! What if he had done something more worse to you?
Now listen. Keep quiet and listen. I have seen the stunts that the three of you are playing. I have seen the signs written everywhere. But I want to assure you that it is going to be over my dead body that my own children will attend a public school after all the effort that I and your mother put in to give you the best life. It will not happen. Will you all get out of my presence right now? Get inside!
I fear for my children. Yes, I know they are resilient, but I didn't say this. I never knew they were this desperate.
It will never happen. Over my dead body will my own children attend that gutter of a government school. I am going back to work.
Please wait for me.
Son, carry this bomb. If you fail to carry it, you will not eat in my house for 2 days.
You can feed me before. No, they do dry fasting every day. Okay, look at rich man picking. Then they enjoy, then they fresh and yeah. You carry me, come here, walk on my country.
Nefeti, it is written in the Bible, children respect your father.
Even if I respect you, I go still, hunger go still wire me. Hey, Papa. See this woman now? This woman new for the village and see how customers they rush the shop.
Not true. Well, that is because she is not only selling to her customers. She is equally entertaining them with the organic music. Can't you see?
This woman has intelligent woman. She's wise. But you're not just the step for more. Give your customer for credit. The people who want pay, say we're gonna discuss. They discuss. So you go forget they never pay you.
And in other words, what are you trying to say? Oh, okay, maybe we should start our own organic. Yes.
Copy. I want to copy you. Man, they try copy woman. With which waist, say where you go the dance foot. I bet I get plan. Oh my, suppose.
You have a plan?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the plan?
She is also intending the gospel with the music.
I love it! This plan will work.
Why don't go love her? I have sense. And my sense was not inherited from the person next to me.
Next to you.
Neveji, stop there! Neveji! Stop there! That will roll. That will roll this boy. Stop there! That will roll. That will roll.
I don't see the shop. Jesus.
Didi! Didi, come here.
What's going on? Where are my customers?
Sir, please, I don't know what's going on. Business has really been slow.
Hey, get me my sales bonus. Nonsense. It's either you go out there, look, find out where my customers has gone to, bring them back here. Yes, 1 naira, shishi, penny, toronkwacha, I will not give you at the end of the month.
Hey, sir, please don't do this. Please don't do this. The money I realized from this business is what I used to take care of my sick grandmother. Please don't do this, I beg.
Then bring back my customers. Come to think of it, where do you expect me to get the money to pay you at the end of the month? Do I do magic? I know me magic.
Please.
You need to do something. Nonsense.
Sir. Sir. But I'm not the cause now.
What is the update? Do you know whose health is deteriorating by the day? In fact, all the tests conducted shows that if everything proved negative. That means he is well, yet he is not getting any better. Mysteries.
I don't understand. SMO has not said or done anything about it.
SMO tried to intervene. But according to him, the gods have been silent over this all this while.
What do we do now? Because we can't just fold our arms and do nothing. Time is of essence.
You are right. We have to do something, in fact, before it is too late, because if anything happens to the Ono, one, the installation, the coronation and the marriage ceremony will be put on hold until another Ono is installed, which might take a very long time. That is the problem.
Where's Ono now? Where is he?
The family took him to a hospital in a neighboring community.
Do you know the place?
Why not?
Take me there at once.
Let's go.
Where are you going to enter from the other side? Okay.
nonsense. Let me know when you will be beaten.
One cup.
Let's dance without the rhythm.
How long am I going down?
Can you your down? One cup.
Mama. My guy.
Buy sweet dog meat. The best dog meat in town. What poison I'm to for
To court. Go to court. We know they go anywhere.
Go. Enough of this nonsense. Don't see me as a fool.
What's with this
Are you the owner of this shop? Did you employ these people?
Don't be dancing at the dance.
What are you doing in my corner?
Don't be dancing at the dance.
Please go somewhere else and dance. Mama, yeah, shop. They go. Buy this man.
If I boss on you, you don't go like him. You don't go like him.
You know what you go do?
You don't go like me.
What you go do?
You don't go like me. I got hot temper.
What you go do?
You know,
Leave my son also. Leave my son.
Leave my son. Daddy.
How may I help you?
We're here to see Mazobi. Do you know of Ndia Kingdom? He was admitted here yesterday.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir. This is not the visiting hours.
Also?
Yes, you can check back tomorrow around 8 a.m.
What? Your mistake is pardonable because you are ignorant of the fact that I am the future queen of Ndako Kingdom. Now I order you to take us to him at once.
Sorry, ma'am. This is the hospital policy, and I can't do otherwise.
Are you mad? It's all.
What is the problem? What's going on here?
The doctor eats.
Doctor, he's my father. He's lying in that sick. And my mother said that he's been asking after me. Maybe if he sees me, he will get better. We're just trying to explain it to her. Doctor, please.
Madam, it's actually past visiting hours. But since you said the patient has been asking of you...
Yes, exactly.
I think seeing him will speed his healing process.
Exactly.
Nurse,
yes, doctor.
take them to him.
Oh, thank you so much, doctor. We owe you a lot already.
Doctor,
thank
no.
you. Now,
after you.
Move.
The doctor has conducted all the tests possible, but there's no improvements. The test shows that my husband is healthy, but he's depreciating every day, and I cannot do anything. We have exhausted all the money we have. I don't know what to do.
We will transfer him to a private hospital.
We've not been able to pay for the tests being run on him here. Community hospital. Not to talk of going to a private hospital. We cannot afford that. Where do we get that money from?
I will sort out the bills and pay the debt he owed the hospital so they can permit his transfer.
Thank you very much. I believe they God sent you to this place. May the God bless you. It's obvious the God sent you to this place. Thank you very much. Thank you.
I am the future queen of Ndako Kingdom. I don't do this because I'm a philanthropist. I am not. Neither do I run some kind of NGO. No. I'm doing this because his death will cost me more. So even if he's going to die, definitely not now. Okay, madam. I'll be in the doctor's office.
Lie down.
Take care of him.
I will.
Thank
you.
Hey, my boy. Hey, Did you see the kind of blow that I gave to that woman? You can't even differentiate between her face and the face of that roasted dog head she is using for her business sample. In fact, I turned her face into black.
Mama, do you know what I have against you? You have mouth. You can talk too much, but you don't have power. That time that I was beating that fat boy, or you think my hand was not on you? I saw the way that woman was beating you. Beating you restless. Papa, a woman. Yeah.
Serious talking. So for your mind now, you think I didn't see what that boy did to you? I saw everything he did to you. Yes, as for the beating, I agreed. I accepted. But it was a small beating. But that fat boy finished beating you and sat on your stomach. That you nearly vomited all the pomo you have stolen. You think I was blind? I saw everything, no?
I beg, I don't want that one. Please, go and cook. Go and cook, Papa, I'm hungry. I need to regain all the strength I wasted beating that boy. No. The right word you're supposed to use was that for you to regain all the strength you lost, all the energy you lost when that boy sat on your body. Idiot. In fact, I will no longer cook for you in this house. From today, it is dry fasting. Because you are the one that brought this nonsense and stupid idea of us joining them to go and say, Mama. Okay. Stupid boy. What is it? No. Come on. Keep watching the kitchen. You know what? I'm not again. Leave it here. Get it, Jimmy. Give
David, come. Go inside. Go inside.
Have you been able to find out where my customers are?
Sir, it's possible they've turned a new leaf and decided not to drink alcohol again, which is palm wine.
Hey, and what about dog meat? Have they also decided not to eat dog meat again? Imagine all the dog meat I bought got spoiled, and I've bought another one, which might spoil again. And you are here telling me nonsense.
God bless you and one joy.
Okoro! Okoro! Come here.
Don't call me. I am tired of drinking your palm wine mixed with your urine.
I don't understand.
You don't understand? Your palm wine is not the original one, hotter. Your palm wine is mixed with your urine and it smells like foul shit on a chicken choco. It's not sweet.
They're looking at you now. It means you are drunk. And you must have drank palm wine in another bar, which is not mine, your favorite. Why?
That is true. I am drunk. Very much drunk. There is a new joint before that stream. You know, she sells a very good urine. A very good palm wine urine. What am I saying? Even if she mixes it with her urine, the drink is still very sweet. And her dog meat is doggy. Delicious. Not like your own. Alam, you know.
I won't again hire them now. Ndidi, we need to find out why or what have made that girl to decide to draw a battle line with me by doing or running the same business which I run in this village. Did you get me? No. An unprepared child that has decided to find out what killed his father must be killed by that thing that killed his father. Okore rugeru warogodo, ikuku pruya obrogodo. I got
Grandpa.
Good evening, my daughter. You're not looking bright.
Papa, I'm fine.
Please come and sit down.
Papa, I said I'm fine.
I sit down. I can be wrong about everything, but when it has to do with my family, I know exactly what's going on. So tell me, what's bothering you?
Grandpa, we got into a fight with some villagers.
Really?
Papa, I was peacefully selling my market too. People were buying before one stupid man that sells pomo came with his son and distracted my customers. They all started patronizing him.
And you decided to fight him. That's typical of my daughter. See, let me tell you, the only person in this village, who sells with his son must be Jidena. That's his name.
Yes, Papa, that's what everybody was calling him. They were all calling him Jidena.
Grandpa, if you see how I beat that boy, I beat him very well. Eh?
Shh. My son, fighting is not the right way to go. Eh? Listen, there are more peaceful, harmless, and diplomatic ways of handling issues. Let me tell you, Jidena and the son, they are harmless. You see, he's just a single father like me. He lost his wife some few years.
Papa, the truth is I don't care about that man. I don't care about his wife. I don't care about him or anything about him. I just want to sell my market peacefully. And I don't want anything like that to repeat itself again. That is my own.
It's alright. That's okay. Come, let's go in so that you can take your bath and eat something. And grandson, I prepared that your favorite. Insala soup and pounded yam.
Hey, Daddy, I love you.
I love you too.
And eat. Relax. But thank you so much. You have a way of liking me no matter how dark
Who do we have here? Welcome, my future queen of Ndako Kingdom. We are privileged to have you, Nem. Please, sit down. Oh?
What I'm here for is far more important than sitting down. Oh no. I can see that you are back on your feet.
As you can see, my daughter, I'm much better now. I must thank you for all you did for me while I was still in the hospital. Me and my family will appreciate you a lot. Thank you for your kindness towards me.
Do not misunderstand me. What I did was not out of kindness.
I don't understand.
Ma, I would like to have a private conversation with the Ono.
With all pleasure, Nem. Oh? Let me clean this. Sit down. Oh? You're welcome, Nem. Thank you. Hey,
As I said, what I did was not because I'm kind. What I did is a debt that you will surely pay.
I don't understand.
I did what I did for two reasons. One, because your illness was delaying the coronation stroke traditional process. Secondly, I need you by my side. I wanted to make sure that I become the next queen of Ndiako Kingdom. But if you decide to indulge me, I wanted to have it at the back of your mind that the bushmeat that escaped the gunfire of a hunter today will not escape it tomorrow because it becomes its target. Excuse me, oh no.
What do we call this one? If I got boyfriend come now.
What in God's name is wrong with you? What is it? Why are you following me? Why are you following me up and down? Keho? I'm asking you, what is your problem?
Olana, the last that I checked, this village road is opened to all pedestrians and motorists. But for people in this village and people traveling through this village. So you don't have any justification whatsoever questioning the fact that I'm walking along this village road, in which you happen to be walking on it too. Stop it! I don't like it.
I will not stop it. You should be the ones that will stop following me. Stop following me. What is your problem? If I move, you move. If I stop, you stop. If I go this way, you go this way. In Apuala. Eh?
You're asking me. Let me tell you. This is the only route to this village that leads to the market where I go to buy things for my business. Do you want me to fly or what?
Yes, fly. Fly! Because I'm also going to that market and I am passing this road. I don't need somebody like you on this route. Fly! And let me make it clear to you. If you like, buy all the spices, condiments, all the seasoning in the market. Your pomo will always be tasteless. Yes.
See who is talking? But people prefer my pomo than your dog meat. I lie.
And you're happy. It's because your pomo is cheap. It's for poor people. Yes, don't you know how much I'm selling my dog meat? Oh, Fondi Diego, Ndogalaya, Nindoga. Pomo is very cheap. It's for the poor, and the poor mass is kanko. Do you understand? And sometimes I heard you will not even sell it. You will make salaka because it's cheap.
Well, since you are going to the market, let me follow you to the market so I can help you too. You know I'm a gentleman.
Who is a gentleman?
Me, of course. I'm a gentleman.
Look
at me.
for Nayad. Respect your old self and stop following me.
Hold on now, whether
you will not like me.
Whether I like it or not, I'm right behind you. I'm a gentleman.
My love, now that the Onowu is back on his feet, what is delaying the coronation stroke traditional marriage ceremony? What is delaying it?
Well, the Edemo said we have to wait to hear from the gods before anything can be done. Yes.
Wait till when?
Until the gods speaks. For now, everything has to wait.
This village is very backward and primitive. So the mortals have to pause their lives until they hear from the gods that they can't even see, before they can move on with their lives.
I forbid you for saying such a thing. How dare you? If not for the person you are, I would have your tongue chopped off at this minute and feed it to chew. How dare you?
I'm so sorry, my prince. Just that this whole thing is beginning to frustrate me. I'm losing it. I can't wait to be your wife. I can't wait to be your queen. Can't you see?
Listen, I understand how you feel. I feel the same way.
You do?
But we need to hold on and give the gods the time they need to get back to it. Ezemo, you are welcome.
Greetings, my prince.
Has the gods said anything?
Yes. Finally, the gods have spoken. They said the ceremony for the traditional marriage and coronation will take place the next market day.
This is good news.
I told you the gods are not deaf.
They are not.
They are not blind.
I can see it now.
They see and they hear.
Yes.
No one keeps to the ways of the gods and stumbles.
Exactly.
This is good news.
It is.
SMO.
Well done, eh?
Thank you.
Thank you so much, SMO. This is good news. My love, I can't wait for the next market days. Eh? My love, I can't wait.
Stop! See, you're just a comedian and fun to be with. I like you.
And you have the most beautiful smile in the whole universe. See, it takes 500 muscles on your face to frown, but takes only 11 muscles to smile. So keep smiling for me and never let that smile depart from your face.
Kai, well, you're equally very handsome. Imaka. Edema.
Stop, Joe. Stop it. Stop it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Well, pardon my manners.
It's okay, it's okay.
I don't even know your name. You see, I was lost in the ocean of your beauty. Oh, yes.
Okay, and now that you're out of the ocean, I'll tell you my name. My name is Olanna.
Olanna? What a nice name, Olanna. Inugwa. And my name is Jidenna. You see, there is Nana in our names, meaning we are both meant for each other.
Stop.
Nana.
What is
wrong with you? Olanna, Jidenna. There is Nana.
Meanwhile, thank you so much for your support yesterday at the market. Thank you. Thank you.
It's nothing. And don't forget that I also went there to buy things that I will use for my pomo.
Point of correction. Your tasteless pomo.
Okay, no problem. But the fact remains that there is Nana in our name. Olanna, Jidenna.
Leave me alone, Amanda.
Olanna, Jidenna.
Thank you so much. You see this beautiful dress? Your daddy bought it for me on my last birthday. And it's not just beautiful, it's also expensive. He spent a lot to get me this.
Wow. It's so good. It is beautiful. Wow. But why didn't it get burned?
Burned?
Yes, Mom.
I wasn't ironing it, so why will it get burnt?
Nothing, Mom. He's just joking. Yes, I'm joking.
I'll be very careful.
You know you're
So, sweetheart, this evening I have a very special place I'm going with your father. So I need to go get ready. See you guys. Okay. Bye.
Wait. You need to get buns. Didn't you place it well?
Well, I knew you both expected the clothes to get buns.
Do you have a hand in this? Do you?
Yes, I do. So you guys want to cause another atrocity. And when you guys get caught, you will not blame it on me. But let me tell you something. From now henceforth, I'll be frustrating all your efforts in this house.
How dare you!
If you try it, I will show you that I'm your elder sister. And afterwards, I'll report you both.
Are you serious?
See for yourself.
Gosh, I hate this girl.
When I say that this girl is stupid, you will not listen.
I hate her! As I can see, you are heading today. No, now stop this. I need to rest. That boy was not easy for me to beat. And me, I don't want to fight again. Let's just go to street and sell our mama in peace.
Nefechi, my son, you have nothing to worry about. No one will fight today. Don't forget the last time we merged business with them, we sold almost all our pomo. Now let me ask you this. When was the last time we had more sex like that? And again, we are now friends and she is expecting us.
I don't like that woman and that fat, lazy, vocabulary son.
Fat what? You and the boy who is fatter than? Like I said before, no one will fight each other. Let's just go there. Let's go there. You know, going there to see Olana, you will not understand. Let's go there. No! Let's go there.
Are here again to come and cause trouble for us.
No, don't worry. I'm the person that asked them to come.
But people used to buy their pomo more than our dog meat.
It is not true. See, the other time they were here, we made a whole lot of sales. What you must understand is everybody will not love dog meat. And everybody will not love pomo. So if you want pomo, you buy from them. If you want dog meat and pawa, you buy from us. There is power in collaboration. Oh? Let's not put our cream money with alacrity sprinkled with obi akponime business. When we can move to permanent sites, let them come. Together we can flourish together. You know go? Okay. What is your problem? Eh? What is your problem? What do you want?
Bomo.
Bomo, eh? Oh, Daba. I'm coming. Can you what is something. There is power in collaboration. I did not say you push your come so that I will be selling and you will not sell. I want us to be selling together. Hey, water. You know what you know? Makana, Gondieba.
What nonsense is this? Are you drunk? Get up! As in Binyoto! By the way, what information do you have for me?
Her palm wine is the sweetest I've ever tasted. I just went there as an FBI to investigate, but I ended up drinking 11 jugs of palm wine.
How dare you patronize my rival?
And how dare you call someone whose palm wine and dog meat is sweeter than yours your rival? She is more than you.
Hey! You fool! Get out! I need to do something. Mame merife agura nyo manya noboda. Mbano.
Prince Meremeze, you are here with your wife. Today is a very special day that our prince will be crowned as the regent king and will be joined traditionally with the queen as husband and wife. Onowu, over to you.
Thank you, Ezemo. With the powers invested on me as the Onowu of this great kingdom, I hereby crown you today. Elders, I should proceed.
Go on.
If you try to lay your hands on that crown again, you'll be struck dead by a ghost. When things of this nature happen, we have to hold on, make inquiry, and find out why the gods do not want us to proceed with this.
Ezemo, yes. What is the meaning of this? Are you responsible for what is going on here? Are you responsible?
How can you insinuate that Ezemo has hand in what is happening in this kingdom?
Whatever it is, whatever this is, I am sick and tired of it. I am sick and tired of you and your girls. Hey!
Zarachi. Ezemo. Yes.
Zara.
Since you know who has touched the crown, can I go ahead and wear the crown myself? Huh? Since you know who has touched it already, can I wear this crown?
My prince! This is more spiritual than what you think. Hey! My prince, hey! When a snake fails to exercise its venom, it will be used to tie firewood. When things of this nature happens, there's a reason the gods does not want us to do this. So we must ask questions before we proceed. This ceremony is hereby postponed. Yeah. Moreover, we will be traveling to Obodo Kingdom. I have a very good friend there, a strong seer. He's the only one that will unveil what have just transpired here today.
Zarachi, didn't you hear me call you? Zarachi, are you deaf? What? Is it? No, you what? No, you will not talk to me in that tone. I am your princess. Not just your princess, but the princess of the Aku Kingdom. You know I never liked you. I never liked you, not even for a sec. But no, your desperation will not let you be. I warned you severally to stay away from my brother, didn't I? But of course, who would have known that your heart is this dark? But all thanks to the gods that intervene on my behalf. Now you see, my darling, the battle is between you and the gods. Why don't you channel that energy of yours to ensure that you get yourself a man to marry you so that you can leave your father's palace before it gets too late? Rather than trying so hard to prevent your brother from getting married to a rare gem, just so that he can remain in the single market with you. I see a butterfly that calls itself a bird. I would have replied you, Zarachi, you see. But no. Actually, I don't have time for this bullshit. Oh no, you don't walk out on me when I talk to you.
Ibo bibo kwa na bo na tiwari evre wa yo de ba do donde mama re se me ya bife. Ibo na tie fogo ba feke ka ne koku ya. You all are welcome to the Almighty Upaka Shrine, where answers outweigh the questions.
Almighty Upaka, the greatest seer of Obodo Kingdom. You know why we are here.
You are here because the gods prevented the coronation and the traditional marriage of the crown prince.
All we heard about you is true. The greatest seer of Obodo Kingdom.
Truth, they say, is like an immortal. Orwe kanero, orwe kanero. Okwagwo toro mbo funanya, okwagwo to mbo funanya. The great Upaka. Prince Meremeze, your intended bride had an affair with a man at the early stage of your relationship with her, which resulted to a pregnancy. She refused to abort the baby because she knows that abortion is an abomination in Ndako Kingdom. She hid it from you. When she gave birth to the baby, she tried to kill the baby. But behold, her sister could not behold the blood of an innocent child.
Please don't do that. What you want to do? Please let me have me. Don't kill me. Please, I beg you in the name of God. And this is my long-term dream of becoming the queen of Ndako Kingdom. Not even the man that gave birth to us will stop you from becoming the queen. Please, I won't stop you. The baby won't stop you. I promise you, the baby will be mine. I will take full responsibility of the baby. No one knows you are pregnant, let alone having a child. They will think he's mine. Don't kill him. Please. I am begging you. It is nothing but a curse that was just be shoved down my womb. Let me have this. I promise you. You see this secret? I will take it to the grave. Nobody will hear of this. I promise you. Olanna, you have agreed to take responsibility of this child. Yes. With the condition that you will move in with me and the prince after we get married in the palace. So I will keep an eye on you and this course. I will. Please, don't kill the child. Please. How I wish. This knife is directed straight into his heart. Yes. Please don't. I would have pierced it. Please don't. I have given you my words. But you are lucky. You are lucky. I promise. This oath is sealed and buried. Any day you decide to dig and unseal it, the claws of death will pierce through your life and you will die a painful death.
Yes, I accept. I will do anything for you.
So Zerati deceived all Anna. Hey! Opaka Bokago. Are Kuku and without the kind of ever. So Zerati deceived all Anna with a fake blood oath, which she kept the secret with the fear of losing her life if she revealed the secret. Zerati started suspecting that one day all Anna would dish out their secret, which will stand on her way of becoming the queen of Ndiako Kingdom. She started maltreating her, even trying to kill the baby. But the gods guide their own.
Alo, abomination.
Hi!
I got one hand again.
Zerati is not the kind of woman that the gods wishes to be the queen of Ndiako Kingdom.
Now I see. So Zerati is the evil behind the mask. I was too blind to see. I was blind by the love I have for her. No wonder they say all that glitter is not gold. I was living with the evil herself. My heart betrayed me. Deji, my heart betrayed me.
Now that you have known the truth, Mazemoloku, you know what that your name means. That you're helping Zerati to do must stop immediately. Huh? Hey! Or your end will be as sooner as possible.
Lena Honia. Ujatan keta.
Come on, put this place fire. Throw fire. Let them. You don't get sense. You don't sense them on your. You don't get sense. You don't get sense. The police place. Come on, what's everywhere outside? Let's get on ahead. Come to this place. Wait. Now don't get sense. Happy? Wait. More. I will show you now. Come on. If I don't get sense. Make I sing her here. You sing. Hey, your neighbor.
they? Look at what they've done to my shop. Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? Look at what they did to my business. Look at what they did to my business. God. God. I know. Look at what they did to my shop. Look at what they did to my shop. Look at what they did to my shop. Oh. Now that my business is moving. Oh God. This is frustrating, oh. This is frustrating, oh. This is frustrating. Can just do one more. I will not take this thing. I will not take it, Jesus. Jesus, my shop. My shop, oh. My shop, oh. Hey. Chineke, oh. Jesus, oh.
We realized that someone tied the farmland around with Omo, preventing us from entering the farm.
Abomination. The enemy came for an arm and took it away. Now they have returned to cut my legs off.
Papa, who is this enemy?
I don't have an idea.
But you're not sounding like someone who doesn't have an idea. Papa, it's better you tell me this person. If I mistakenly catch this person by myself, I will make sure I burn him into ashes inside that same farm. I'm telling you the truth.
Oh, Nana, calm down. It has not gotten to that now.
No, it has gotten to that. It has gotten to that. It has gotten to that, Papa. Let me have that gun.